UK has a massive problem with stress, and I'm here to deal with it. So I'm going to take my stress machine, which measures how your stress levels are and what specifically is stressing you out. The biggest thing that stresses us out is our thoughts. It's actually our own internal conflicts, and we're going to see inside somebody and actually see what's stressing them out and what isn't. So we've got you wired up to my stress computer, and what this is going to measure, it's going to measure how your thoughts are in fact impacting your body. So it's a bit like an internal lie detector test. So this is a real truthful picture, and it will show you second by second when you think different things, it will give you a different result. So what we're going to be looking for here is you want to look at this green marker, this blue one, and this red one. Green is where you need to be. If you're 100% green, you should be floating on the ceiling.
Right.
Blue is showing that there is an indication of stress, but you're also calm as well. And red is showing high levels of stress. That is that your heart rate is being impacted by the stress hormones that are released from what you're thinking about.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So let's get you switched on. That's your heart rate. Okay.
Yeah.
So you're alive.
Great. Alive and kicking.
And you liked that.
Right. Okay.
Okay. So we're just going to be playful for a moment with this, and then we'll put it to the test. So.
Right.
So right now, this is when you're coming from the heart as well. The more green you are is when you're coming from the heart, which is a good place to be. Okay, so what I want you to do is just spend a moment with your thoughts, perhaps thinking about some different things, and see which different results you get.
Okay.
What did you think about that?
Going to the pictures tonight with Abby.
Okay. And that's showing that there is creating some stress for you.
Right. Okay, that's my daughter. Yeah.
Okay.
That's sensitive.
Yeah.
Wow.
And it will react to things it's a bit like thunder and lightning. They're released at the same time, but because of one travels faster than the other, the same works with your thoughts. The chemical reactions will react faster than your conscious mind gets the thought.
Right.
So it's that sensitive.
Gosh, that's really sensitive, isn't it? Because I wouldn't even think that was stressful.
Yeah.
That was actually a happy thought.
Yeah. And what's interesting is quite often I find with people who are positive thinking on something, it causes them stress when in actual fact there's something that they need to address.
Oh, okay.
And that could just be letting go of something. It doesn't necessarily mean that it's a big thing. It means that somewhere you're still carrying
that little knot.
Yeah, it's that little knot, exactly that,
Yeah.
But of course that little knot sitting in your body causes stress over time.
Yeah.